Hey, what's going on guys? Zetromadic here and I'm back with another video, and in today's video guys, I'm actually going to be showing you how I make my videos. If you're interested in that, keep watching this video, but if you're not, then go watch one of my other videos because I'm right now working on a video so that may be up by now, but yeah, go check it out. So, right now, one second, this is my other camera. Right now I just finished a inside video, and I would be recording with this camera, but unfortunately I have the SD card right here, so I can't. And yeah, let's hop over to the computer. So guys, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how this works because I'm actually kind of running out of time because I have to do quite a few other things after this. And so, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown. So this is my Audacity. Usually I would noise cancel it by going into selecting my fan noise, letting it run for a little bit, selecting my fan noise, click noise reduction, get noise profile, and then OK once I select the entire thing, and so that'll take out all the fan noise throughout the entire video. And this is just OBS, where I use 1920 by 1080 is my thing, but I have to downscale it because those are huge file sizes. So I do 720p at 60 FPS. As you can see down here, I use an Elgato. I can use OBS's screen capturing thing, but I actually use my Elgato because I have one, and it makes things a lot smoother and stuff. So this is the rundown on that. I will open Premiere and show you guys how that works because I use Premiere and I use Photoshop how to edit my thumbnails. If you guys want to know how to edit thumbnails with Premiere, or you want a tutorial or anything like that on how I make my thumbnails, I'll be happy to show you. Just gotta let me know down in the comments below. I just finished editing or filming an inside video, as I showed you earlier, and that's why I'm wearing the same shirt and stuff, because I'm making a video on the same day. There we go. Sorry if this is a quick video. If you want a more in-depth video on how I edit with Premiere, let me know down in the comments of this video, all along with the other thing I told you to do. I can't remember because I'm not smart. So I will just make a new project, and then I'll name it whatever. I don't really have a title for this one yet. So I also have this really cool thing on my external hard drive because the recording takes such big of files. I need an external hard drive. I have need to edit, which these are all the videos I need to edit. There's my face. Need to record. These are all the videos I'm planning on making. It's blurred right now. Should be, because you gotta wait for those. Ready to upload. These are all the videos that are ready to upload or scheduled and already uploaded. These are all the videos that you guys know. First of all, we're going to call it Inside because I don't have a title for it yet. And then we're going to move the need to record to the need to edit, and then click OK. It should build the Premiere thing. I have a bunch of things custom made for mine, so it may be different from yours if you guys do have Premiere as well. But first I will choose music later on, but I will go into effects. These are all the effects I have. I will straight away go for the face cam border, the intro, the like and subscribe prompt, and the outro, because those are all the things I use in every video. If I want something else later on when I'm editing, I'll put that in, drag it in. Like, this is the timer from one of my videos. This is the to be continued. I have so many things from previous videos that I might use later on, so I do have it like that. Sorry I'm talking so fast, I just need to get this video done. Then I will go into the actual folder, wrong one. That's right now's video. I will go and grab inside. I will grab all 4 things: the audio, face cam, and gameplay. I will put the intro in, audio in. I will have to sync up the audio with the clap. Put this in, but that's not going to work. So we're going to go like that. And then face cams. Premiere's going to crash. Premiere crashes quite often once I'm going fast. Okay, so we go like this. And is that the first one? I think that's the first one. Yeah, and then the second one, we're going to have to sync up both because I had to do twice because, as you know, the inside video that you've already seen, because it's already out, camera cut out. So we're going to go to effects, editing presets. This is mine with all the things that I use. So we're going intro color key. It just makes it so I can drag in, makes it a lot easier. And then so it's color keyed, and then I will right where the first frame drops out, or like where it should be transparent, I make that above everything, not the audio, but this. And so we can just slide this in so it cuts straight to, as you can see, the thing. Then for my face cam, I also have to drag in the face cam border. That's also an essential. And you have to make it the entire way because I have face cam throughout the entire thing. These are how my normal videos look. It's quite messy, but I clean it up later with like this track I don't use because there's nothing on it. My OBS just makes an extra track like that. I have in my editing presets, face cam position right there. Don't know why that's not working right now, but usually it'll work. I can just scale this down a little bit for now. I'll figure that out. And as you can see, this isn't in the correct spot, which I'll go right here, right click, scale to frame size or set. I don't know the difference. I've been told not to use one or the other. I just forgot which one I was told not to use. I just use that one, or any one I like want to pick at that time. And then boom, I have the gameplay. And the outro will go at the end. Like and subscribe, I'll just plop in a random part of the video. And yeah, that is really how I edit my videos. I'll export them in 1080p, so some of them will say 1080p, but they're actually only 720. So don't play them at 1080 unless it's on auto, because then your internet can handle it. If this video did help you all in any way, shape, or form, please hit that like button, or if you found it entertaining, please hit that like button and subscribe button if you are new. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.